This has been in the making for over a decade. Farm fields were purchased in 2006 to 2009. The idea was always to transition the farmland into a natural area.
Both of these sites, we have created over 40 wetlands. We'll be able to filter a lot of water and purify and get the nitrogen and sediment out of it before it gets into Aurand Run and eventually the Blanchard River.
When we look at natural infrastructure and how we reduce nutrient loading, we need so many of these wetlands across the landscape in the right places to really make that difference. And this is one of those.
Being retained here. Some of it will flow into Pool 1 out of Aurand Run when it's flooding.
We know that these wetland projects are going to have benefits, in fact a variety of benefits, because Aurand Run connects to the Blanchard River. The Blanchard River connects to the Maumee, and as I think you probably know, the Maumee delivers its water to Lake Erie. And so this is one of the ways that this wetland is reducing the chances of growth by those pesky cyanobacteria or blue-green algae.
We had farm fields before. This place is beautiful and it's only going to get more beautiful over time as the area matures. It's nice when a plan comes together.